Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Lite Builders, back at our job site again today, Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 6. We have some concrete progress I'm excited to show you today. As you can see, there's a gentleman over my shoulder. He's taking the cool deck off that was existing because we're replacing that, and there's some bubble wrap around the edge of the pool to keep all the debris that would maybe land in the pool out of the pool while they're working. So he's taking that up for today as he's done with all of that work. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so awesome. Here we are on this back patio. So this back patio was covered in Saltillo tile. So they've got all that taken off and all that debris removed so that we can get that. The new overlay that we're going to put on here. Over here, we had a little bit of a ramp situation. There was a step down from the upper patio to the cool deck. So we've taken that out and we're going to build a ramp there out of the concrete and then do the overlay. And as you can see, they've gotten all this work done around the pool to remove all that cool deck. Back here in this back corner of the lot, we're going to do a little patio area, and they're going to have that with a little lamp out there so that they can sit out there in the evenings and enjoy friends and company. It's going to be so awesome. I'm excited to show you what we've got going on out front. Okay, so now we're out front and you can see we've removed this walkway up to the house. Before it was concrete and then it had some broken bricks along each side of it. So we're replacing the concrete and the bricks, and we're not going back with more bricks. We're just gonna do concrete side to side. But can you believe this walkway is gonna be so nice when it's all taken care of, right? Because like, oh, that's a lot of concrete, and we're so happy to not have to have the broken bricks on it anymore. It'll nicely repair it. It's a beautiful day in Arizona. Friends, we are so thankful you're here on this journey with us for Coffee and Construction in Tempe. I'm Sheila. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you.